In this video, I am going to tell you how to create and scan Spotify codes. So first of all, you need to open a Spotify application in your system. So this is my Spotify application. You can select any song. For example, I am selecting this song. So after selecting this song, you need to click on these three dots, and after that you need to click share and copy link to playlist. You just need to copy the link, and you need to now open one link wherein I need to paste this link to create a code. So this is the website spotifycodes.com which you need to open. I will share you the link of this website in the video description as well. So check out the description as well to find this link. So you need to paste the link here in search box and create the code. So it is very easy, and you can change the color of the background as well. You can change the bar color, you can change the format as well. So it is very easy. After that you just need to download this code, and you can see it's downloaded now. I just need to open it, and now you can see this is the code, and I can open this code. And now after opening this code, I need to scan it from my mobile device. So now I will go to my mobile device and show you how to scan code. In my phone, I need to just open a Spotify app. Just tap on the Spotify app. In front of us, you can see there is a camera. Now you need to scan this on your PC, this image, and you can see the same song is now showing. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it and share Spotify code to your friends. So if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.